cartoon showers? Wow, this is really awesome.
Hi everyone, it's Bean's learning time. Hi Bean, what are we going to do today? This. Surprising. This exciting. Here, let's take a video of it real quick. This is an awesome ultimate activity case that Bean spied at Michael's Star Wars. He wants to see what's inside. It looks pretty nice. So let's get to it.
That was a loud pop.
The Resistance. Rule the galaxy.
Now, how do we... Oh, it's a treasure chest.
Yeah. It is a treasure chest. Whoa, fun. Can you bring it over here so we can see what's going on?
I already know what it's saying because it shows what's inside my...
Okay, bring it over here. It's on that piece of paper. You want to get that piece of paper?
Paper.
That you cut off?
Cut off? What?
The piece of paper shows what's inside. So this is taped here. Wow. Stormtrooper guys. Stamps. Markers. What else is in here?
What's in that?
Whoa, so fun. Are those stickers? Can you show us?
We got the bird.
Oh, you got... Oh, I know you like that little bird. What else do you see?
You see a Jedi and some ships.
And some ships.
Let's see what we can make with this thing.
Let's see what we can make.
Oh, what is this stuff?
I don't know, but is there anything underneath this red shelf here?
I don't know.
Does it open up? No? Oh, yeah! That's how it opens. It's... Oh, don't open it like that. It's a drawer. It's a drawer. So it opens like this.
What?
So you can put more goodies in there. More Star Wars goodies are in there. You can put more arts and crafts stuff in there. This is a great box for taking your DIY with you on the go, isn't it? It's a great box for taking your DIY with you on the go. Let's see what's in here. What's this guy do? Oh, that's the handle.
Let's see what we can do.
Oh, yes. Let's see what we can do. Oh, you have a ship there. Is that like a, yep, like a coloring book?
Let's see what colors are in the Oh!
And stamps.
Ooh.
Can you please get off the table?
Okay. Oh, that's awesome. Cartoon showers? Wow, this is really awesome. Oh. Really good.
It's a good marker.
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
Pretty good marker.
Ah. Still.
There we go. Good. Get off the table, please. Thank you. All right. So is there ink for the stamps?
I think right there.
Oh yeah, I think that's right there. And stickers. Awesome. All right, well, let's show everybody the box again. This is a pretty cool box. It has a magnet closure. Has a drawer right here. The top for the art. And a snap closure. for all you Star Wars fans. We have Kylo Ren, the Resistance BB-8, Rule the Galaxy. Oh, this is awesome. So, this is fantastic. And Bean spied it. Where did you find that at, bud? Michael's.
If you want to buy one, just go to Michael's and find it.
Just go to Michael's and find it. That's right.
I've just run out done, but might come next year.
If it's already run out, they might come next year.
Because this is actually a holiday stormtrooper.
Oh, it's a holiday stormtrooper. Let me look. Oh, a holiday stormtrooper. He's getting ready to party. We took the goodies out of the drawer, and Bean found out they are magnets with an awesome magnet board ready to go. 2 different scenes. Look at those at-ats. 2 different scenes. We already have Rey in this scene.
I want to put them in here.
You want to put them on there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's cool. You have Rose. Her name is Rose. Is she going to go on there too with Rey?
They're both fighting.
Awesome. Need their lightsabers, huh, to win? Rey's holding hers. Is Rose going to hold a lightsaber?
She doesn't.
No. Hey, Bean. What did you learn today?
I learned that these are at Michael's.
These are available at Michael's. That's nice. All right.
All right. Keep working on DIYs, guys.
Keep working on DIYs, guys.
And
And
DIYs, guys.
DIYs, guys. All right. And how about these cute birds? Oh, I loved these guys in the movie. Thumbs up if you loved the little birdies. Chewbacca's new friends, the little birdies. Okay.
How are we going to sit that in?
I don't know, it's not sticking very well, those magnets. We'll figure it out. Okay, Bean. Bye.
Beans learning time. Come back soon.
Come back soon. Like and subscribe. Beans Learning Time. See you soon.
Mm-hmm.
Bye. Like and subscribe.
Peace out.
Peace out.